Hi everyone, welcome back to Valerine's Home and Gardens. Now I have some pieces of plain fabric here and I will be using them for the next video lesson. However, I wanted to take the opportunity to put something on it so it's not just blah. And so I decided to put some encouraging words on them. This one I used a stencil to transfer the words. However, what I will be showing you is how to do freehand writing with fabric paint. But the first thing we need to do is iron out the fabric so you get out most of the crease, right? So this is my pen here. I call this my fabric paint pen. And it's just great for writing freehand because if you can see right here, it has a very fine tip. And if you want your letters to be any bigger than this affords, then you can just snip off a little part of the mouth here. But I find like as it is just fine. So before I start writing, I will be putting something between these two layers of fabric because I don't want the paint to transfer. Now I'll go ahead and give my paint bottle a good shake. Now I have a piece of fabric here that I can use to test the paint before I start. It's always good to have something that you can use to clean the tip every now and again. So let's start writing. Okay, just looking at what I want to write. Not hard to do at all. This makes it so easy. Loving all my imperfections. Now, you just write as though you're using a pencil, right? It's pretty cool. And then I'm going to use this one to do a little heart at the bottom. Could also use a little brush to finish brushing in the paint because this one's flowing a bit heavier because I cut the nozzle off pretty deep. So there it is. Okay, so that we call cursive. Now I am going to be doing script, and I am going to cut the nozzle here just a little further down so you guys can see what it looks like when it's cut further down. And just like the other one, I will test it here first. Okay, see, it's a bigger writing. This is how easily you can do freehand writing, guys. It's the tulips. No partnership. I am in no partnership. Not getting paid for doing this. Not getting free products. I buy everything, but I find that they're very good fabric paint that you can use to do freehand writing. So this one too I will be putting to dry, and the next time you guys see this, it will be in another video lesson. Thank you guys so much for watching and for your support on my channel. I appreciate you. Please leave your thoughts in the comment section, thumbs up, and share. And if you have not yet subscribed, hit that subscription button. You won't regret it. And remember to hit the bell notification icon so you can be notified of new videos. I'll see you in the next video.